The formula editor is flexible enough to adapt to your payroll needs and allows you to make your own formula for each item in a payslip. The formula editor also enables you to connect your payroll with attendance and leave. Let me give you an overview of the formula editor. You can either type in a formula in the formula box, or you can double-click any of the variables to bring it to the formula box. The formula items include variables predefined, salary heads selected to form the salary group, variables from the attendance module, variables from the leave module, basic mathematical operators, predefined functions and conditional operators. Let's take a detailed look at the variables. Rate per hour and rate per day are defined in the salary card of the employee. Night shifts planned. Night shifts planned is the count of shifts assigned to the employee that overlap midnight. Months of service. Months of service is calculated from the date of joining until today. Days worked. Days worked is the number of days worked as per attendance or the value of the salary head is specified in the salary settings. Employer work days. Employer work days is defined as you create a salary period. Days in period. Days in period is the exact number of days in the salary period. Planned work days. Planned work days is the number of days the employee is planned to work. Planned work hours. Planned work hours is the number of hours the employee is planned to work. Number of day offs. Number of day offs gives you the number of day offs for the employee in the salary period. Days without plan. Days without plan gives you the number of days where no plan is defined. Night shifts worked. The count of shifts actually worked, where the employee work time overlap midnight. Value. Value is defined in the salary card. When you define formula for a salary head, you can use all other salary heads which are placed above in the salary group. You won't be able to use the salary heads which are placed under the selected salary head, as the calculation is always done from top to bottom of the salary group. The attendance type values are calculated for the salary period. The leave balances are calculated based on the leave entitlements and leaves taken during the salary period. Switch on the slab to apply the result of the formula on a predefined slab. You can even write IFF blocks to manage complex needs. The formula editor allows you to configure your payroll with ease, no matter how complicated your payroll is.